Okay, let's move to the next question. So there is an array of array, so you have to create a function that will return result something like the output shown below. You have to basically flat the array. Okay, let me quickly check the question. Okay, so here we have array as an input, and inside an array I can see that we have multiple deep level array. So we have array of array. I have to basically flat this array. Okay, this is the output. Okay, so let me first create a function flat that will basically take an argument or take an array, and we will console.log is flat, because this flat will return something and we have to pass the array. Okay, cool. Now I can see that I have array of array. So first of all we have parent array. I have to loop over this parent array. So for that let me use array.for each element. I can clearly see that this is a type of array. So let me quickly add the condition for this. If array dot is array element. So if this is a type of array, what I have to handle some case. Okay, if this is the case, then what I have to do, I have to basically again call this function, because see, I can clearly see that this is a case of recursion, because we can have array, then we can have another array inside that, and we can have another array. So we can have any deep level nesting of an array. So if I will call this, so I have to pass array inside this. So in this case the array will be element, which is this for first case, and for I have to store the result of this somewhere. So I will basically consider adding the result variable here, which is a type of array, and I will return this result. Okay, now I know that this will return a array. So what I will do is I will basically destructure the result of flat method, and I have to basically return the result, previous result also. Then I will destructure this also. Okay, now if I will save this, we have nothing, we have empty array, because we have not handled else case. So if this is our first case, we have passed array inside this, that is array of 1 2 3 4, then it will come here and it will again loop over this particular array. So in that case we will get element as 1 2 3 4. So I can see that it is a type of number, so it will go to else part. So I have to basically store this data in our result array. So I will simply push the data here. Okay, so yeah, I can clearly see that I receive the flatten array. So I have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 6 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 6 3 4. Cool. Okay, nice. So here I want you to add one more ability to this function. I want that this flat function should allow me to pass the depth as an argument, so that I can decide for how many deep level, so how much deep level I want to flatten the array. So for example, if I have 3 level nested array and I have passed 2 as an argument, then it should only flat the 2 level deep array and leave the rest as it is. You understand the requirement? Okay, Yes, I understood the requirement. Okay, so I have to basically pass the depth argument here, and let's say initially I have 1 as a depth. So I have to handle this case that somehow I have to stop the execution after one level of flattening is done. So how I will achieve this? I have to basically, whenever I will call this function again, so I will pass 1 minus in depth, because this became the base condition for this recursion. So when depth will be 0, I have to stop the further execution of the recursion. So depth. So if we have depth, that only we will go to this particular function. So if we will consider this case, let's say 3 things. So first of all it will pass 1. Okay, we will get 1 in the depth. So it see that it is a type of array, so it will come here, it will pass the element, that is this particular array is the element, and pass the depth as 0. Okay, then it will come here and see this is the type of number, so it will pass the number 3 in our result, that is 3. After this it will pass 6, and after this it see that it is a type of array, then it will come here type of array, but the depth will be 0, so it will not go in this particular if condition. So we have stopped the execution there, and hence we will get our result. So if I will save this implementation, so see, if I have passed 1, so it has flattened only 1 level deep. So if I will create this as well, and I have saved this, so see, we have got our result. So if we will pass 2 here, it should flatten the complete array. Yes, as expected. So yeah, this is the implementation of flat array method. Hello guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, keep learning.